Technics AZ100 reference class, hi-fi wireless earbuds deliver a premium audio experience with cutting-edge features. Equipped with Dolby Atmos and head tracking, these earbuds offer immersive 3D sound that adapts as you move, enhancing your listening experience. The adaptive noise-canceling technology ensures you can enjoy your music without distractions, while the improved fit provides superior comfort for long listening sessions. With a 10-hour battery life and wireless charging, you can rely on these earbuds for all-day use. The 3-device multi-point connection allows seamless switching between devices, making it easy to stay connected across your phone, tablet, and laptop. Whether you're enjoying music, taking calls, or watching movies, the AZ100 offers top-tier sound quality and versatility in a sleek, modern design.